Hey TankScan fans, in this video we're going to show you how to create a custom script from an existing script, but we'll drill into the details of the Python and where you insert that custom Python script so you can run a fully custom script. So again, from your TankScan grids you can expand in. This is the example we had shown before, which is a days to empty script. We showed how to get down to this guy, days to empty, and edit it, and we can see the days to empty output type and then the days to empty script being run. And you see the parameters that you set up with that. So on the admin, if you log into your admin piece of this, if you have these privileges, you go into your assets, and you go into assets again, and you look at manage scripts. You'll see all the scripts that are available in your account. So we want to look at the days to empty script. You can grab it here. If we look at the parameters, these parameters were the ones that were showing up in the other space, so you can edit these. If you're creating a new one, you can add these. You create the variables names that are used in Python here and any of the default or units around them. So that's the parameters and how we feed that information into the script. The other piece is to go ahead and edit this. So you're naming this, you're providing a description, and then in here we're just copy it and paste it into a Word document. And so here is that Word doc of the script that's running under days to empty. And you can see it's just a standard Python script. It's about 321 words or just over 2.5 pages. And pretty straightforward if you're familiar with Python, but you're setting up your parameters, doing the calculations, analytics that you want to do, and very flexible, very capable system to run within your TankScan. So if we just went back here again, we would then set up an input for that custom script. We would name it, and it would be available as a reading key. You can use your standard alert functions on there. So if I went down to days to empty here, for example, and grab the alerts, I can see that I'm using alert when I get close to 3 days prior to it being empty. Go ahead and send out a warning alert. Your standard username is set up to receive those alerts, so under my profile you can see that I am receiving alerts minor and above, and they're going to my email one, which is just my email address. So that's soup to nuts on how to set up and create a custom script and tie it out to email or text notifications. Thanks for watching.